video. Today I'll make you a video. So before I begin the video, don't forget the like and share and subscribe and comment. And now let's get started. Here we have pepper. Here on this side you have a pepper, and there we have a carrot, and here we have white flour. Okay. Here we have red flour on this side, and we have on this side corn, and we have a purple flour, and we have a tomato, big tomato. See it? Also we have small tomatoes. Here we have sunflowers. And okay guys, and we have white flowers. They are small and cute. And we have small tomatoes. And we have on this side watermelon. Also we have in this side corn, and in this side corn. And now I love all the flowers. So that was the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and bye.